Thank you all for joining us today for today's presentation. Are you playing a critical role in helping millions get the resources you need to help the community you serve? Now, before we get started, I would like to thank ChiroSecure for inviting me to present on their Facebook Live series. The Foundation for Chiropractic Progress is incredibly grateful to its corporate sponsors for allowing us to help educate the public about the benefits of chiropractic care. Today, we will review updates from the opioid crisis, walk you through the resources available in the 3.0 Opioid Toolkit, and then discuss the new Foundation updates from our breaking news collaboration with WebMD and the American Academy of Spine Physicians, as well as our new eBook, which is available to you. The numbers continue to rise. When I started with the foundation a few years back, we were losing under 100 lives per day. I believe the number was more closer to 70 individuals or so. Today, according to the CDC, we are losing 130 Americans every day to opioid-related deaths. In 2016 alone, more than 11.5 million people reported misuse of prescription pain medicine. As many as 1 in 4 people receiving prescription opioids long-term in a primary care setting struggle with opioid addiction. To add to that stat, 80% of heroin users began with a prescription drug. We need to educate. We need to get the beginning before this vicious cycle begins and educate our patients, the athletes, our communities in general, that there are safer pain management options available to them before taking a pill for pain. We are losing 130 Americans per day, which is why we continue to create resources to help our doctors educate, to help save lives. In 2016, we launched the first Opioid 1.0 toolkit. Now we have our third version of the Opioid Awareness Kit available to you to implement in your state. The toolkit provides doctors with the resources to educate from social media to grassroots marketing at local events. The main event in this toolkit is our Opioid 3.0 ebook. Although it is an ebook, which stands for electronic book, we've also constructed it for use in a print-ready format. This means you can share this online with your colleagues, as well as print it out at your local print shop to share in your community with other healthcare providers, at hospitals, anywhere you go to do a presentation. The print-ready version spells out all the research links for you, whereas the ebook provides the user with easy links to all the sources. The ebook is actually the third in the bunch. Previously, we launched 2 other white papers. The first one on the left is the initial paper published in 2016. On the right-hand side of the screen, a chiropractic key to America's opioid exit strategy is still available for use and has relevant information throughout for you to read up on and share. Now that we are through the larger documents in the toolkit, we also are proud to share with you the opportunity to advertise. This is just one ad that can be used, whether you choose to share it on social media or have it published in your local newspaper. It is available to members of the foundation. In addition to ads, the toolkit provides 10 new infographics for you to share on social media, print out as a handout for events, and you can even foam mount it on a poster board. The most inexpensive option, of course, is social media. It is free to use, and you can just click it and share it with your doctors and encourage them to share as well. Again, there are 10 in this toolkit, but we have tons of infographics available on our website for you to download to cover a range of topics from back pain to maintaining a healthy weight. And, well, some of you will be shoveling snow and how to do that safely. Additionally, gold members of the foundation have the ability to customize all the foundation resources with their practice information for only $100 a month. I'm happy to share a whiteboard video which was created thanks to Dr. Heidi Habeck.
100 million Americans are battling with chronic pain and struggling to find long-lasting relief. While commonly sought out over-the-counter pain relievers and prescription opioids may alleviate pain, it is likely short-term and not without pose risks. When misused or taken in higher doses than recommended, over-the-counter pain relievers, such as acetaminophen or NSAIDs, are known to increase the risk of health complications, including ulcers, gastrointestinal bleeding, and liver and kidney damage. Adverse reactions also occur from use, misuse, and abuse of prescription opioids, leading to addiction, overdose, and in some cases, fatality. So where can chronic pain sufferers turn for safe, effective, and drug-free pain relief? Chiropractic care. Chiropractic is a first-line, cost-effective, safe approach to pain care and documented to yield improved clinical outcomes and high levels of patient satisfaction. As trusted primary care professionals for spinal health and well-being, doctors of chiropractic receive a minimum of 7 years higher education, specifically trained to diagnose, evaluate, and provide long-lasting, non-pharmaceutical care and rehabilitation to individuals suffering from acute, subacute, and chronic back and neck pain, headaches, neuromusculoskeletal, and other related conditions. To find a doctor of chiropractic near you to help you manage your pain, visit f4cp.org/find-a-doctor.
Now, this video can be used on social media, included in your newsletters, article to your doctor friends, used in your doctor's practice reception rooms, or even dropped into a PowerPoint presentation that you're doing to the community. If you're sharing with your community, they're going to get the benefits of chiropractic care. This is just one video of a bunch. We have dozens on our YouTube channel. Now, the 3.0 toolkit includes social media postings to share. The posting covers opioid-related topics from prevention, opioid use in young athletes, to pregnant mothers, and encouraging consumers to take control of their back pain. The postings come along with infographics to just copy and paste and share on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, as many different social media platforms that you're on. Now, to access this 3.0 toolkit, you have two options. Visit the link below and you will see on the slide, or you can check out the screen to see what our next steps are for looking at sharing the content. And that is one of the keys, is you've got to get online and share what we have. You can visit f4cp.org, and once you get to the site, click the Opioid Toolkit tab on the very top, and a drop-down menu will appear. Click Toolkit 3.0, and it will open up to the main page with details on the opioid crisis. You'll see the teal covered box on my screen right now. Click it and you'll download the kit. Now, today was a brief walkthrough of the materials available within the Opioid 3.0 toolkit. Now it's time to take action in your community to help us build greater awareness of chiropractic care by publishing the advertisements available to you, sharing the infographics on social media, going into your community and making presentations to key audiences to help educate and advance the profession. Now, during the month of March, the foundation is very excited because we're celebrating neck health. Utilize the foundation's tip sheet, VBA Stroke in Chiropractic Care, the Facts and Fallacies, as an educational resource regarding the safety of chiropractic care to present the research to your patients. When negative false stories appear and they're frightening our patients and they misconstrue the truth, you are ready, you're willing, and you're able to share these quality resources. Now, switching gears, we have some very exciting updates to go through. The Foundation for Chiropractic Progress and WebMD have been working together over the past 6 months to enhance visibility for the chiropractic profession. Through our collaboration, our members will soon be able to add their practice information into the WebMD Doctors Directory and vitals.com free of charge. WebMD's monthly traffic reaches approximately 150 million visits, with their doctor directory receiving nearly 7 million searches each month. Vitals.com also receives 7 million doctor searches. So when they're looking for help now, they can find you as a valued, efficacious source for their health. Members of the foundation will be added to WebMD's doctor and vitals.com directory automatically, but this opportunity is open to all U.S. doctors of chiropractic. In addition, WebMD will be offering all DCs a waived setup fee and special price for those interested in enhanced doctor listing and much more. So just stay tuned to us. We've got some really exciting things for you. Please keep an eye out for a joint press release with complete details in the next couple of weeks. This is a tremendous opportunity that will certainly enable us to enhance our visibility for the chiropractic profession. In addition to free directory listings with WebMD and vitals.com, Foundation members also receive free directory member status with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. This includes a free directory listing in their doctor directory, as well as brochures and PowerPoint presentations geared towards spine care. This month, the Foundation has published a full-page ad in Women's Running magazine focused on, are you stepping on your low back pain? The ad leverages a recent study that highlights that with custom orthotics, low back pain is reduced significantly when combined with chiropractic care. This ad is also available to post on your website, in your newsletters, in your social media, or just print it out and have it at the front desk to share with your patients. Recently, the Foundation launched its latest white paper on corporate wellness, which articulates the value of chiropractic care in on-site, near-site, and shared site corporate health clinics. If you haven't already, visit our site, F4CP.org, to download your copy today. Drop it off at your nearest human resource department at a corporation near you to build a connection and offer your great service. Now, we spoke about several white papers and ebooks today, but we are also proud to share with you a sneak peek of our latest ebook, which we'll be launching this April, titled The Opioid Crisis for Athletes, a Case for Chiropractic, Disrupting the Cycle of Pain, Prescriptions, and Addiction. This ebook focuses on how opioids are influencing athletes of all ages and why chiropractic is a safe solution. I will be presenting at the American Chiropractic Board of Sports Physician Annual Conference next month in Salt Lake City, Utah, and will utilize the new ebook to guide my discussion on the opioid epidemic, particularly as it relates to athletes. Please join me at this event to bring the latest information on athletic care to your sports community. Now, membership has its privileges, and membership with the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress brings together over 24,000 doctors, all actively working together to raise awareness about chiropractic care. We all have a common goal: build awareness, inspire new patients, and advance the profession forward. Through advertisements, earned media coverage, and presentations to new targeted audiences, we are making noise. If you aren't a member of the Foundation, please visit us, f4cp.org/package, to review the benefits you receive with membership. Join us on our mission for positive press for chiropractic. I want to thank you for joining us today. Hope you're all having a wonderful week ahead. And don't forget, come on back next week at the same time for ChiroSecure's great next presentation. Thank you.